Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have our 2014 Hyundai iX35 Trophy, stock reference number 4125. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4 NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. G4 NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front. We have the left hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has a medium sized dent. Have the left hand sill skirt. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Have a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right hand sill skirt in good condition. Right power door mirror. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. Power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls. Factory single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy lamp. Sunglass holder type. Left hand sun visor, light and extension type. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster. And a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.